वेलकम बैक। आज के सेशन में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे व्हाट इज वेरिएबल इन सेल्सफोर्स फ्लो। सो लाइक वेरिएबल इज अ कंटेनर दैट holds the information. Just take a real life example that where you use different containers for different things. Like suppose you have a bag, you are a frozen food or a bottle for a liquid. Okay, so in computer programs, variables are used to store different types of data. Let's take an example, that is, if you need to remember someone's name, you would use a variable that can store text like Abhishek. So if you are counting how many apples you have, you would use a variable that holds the number like there are five apples. Then you can store a variable store a variable in a number. Okay. So in a flow or a computer program, variables are like these containers. Like suppose you would take a variable. Suppose you put any information in them, and you need to decide whether what type of information they will hold. So whether it's a text or it's a number or it's a date or something else. So then this is called the definition of data type of the variable. Okay, so in simple terms, variables in a flow are like in the container, right container for the right kind of information, making it easy to store and use different types of data. Let's take a quick demonstration of that. Okay, I am searching for the quick find box in the flow. After that, go to flow, just open this, go to new flow, start from scratch. Next, in the screen flow, click create. After that, here it is a auto load change to free form. As previous, I am explaining what is canvas, what is toolbox, what is button bar. I will explain in the first video. So in the second video, I just explain what is variable. Okay, so click on this manager. There is a new there is a button like new resource. You can click on the new resource. In the resource tab, you see many containers like variables, constant, formula, text template, choice, collection choice, set, record choice, pick list choice, and stage. So create a variable like this and API name variable text. Just name it variable text. So here it is text record number. Whether is variable is a text, whether is the you object as object variable, then it is record, and the variable is number. Then like in the case of apples, it will be number. So you can store the data as a number. Currency boolean is true or false. It will store the value in the boolean. Date, if it is date and time, then it will use date and time, or otherwise you will use date. And pick list multi-select and apex defined. Okay, so I'm just using the text because it's a text, and yeah, I'm just open just to make the best practice. You enable the outside the flow that is available for input and available for output. It will be checked. Okay, so click done. So here it is variable will be created. So second variable I want to create at as object variable. So just click on this variable like as object variable. Okay. So in the as object variable, click on record, search for anything you want, like opportunity you want. Click on opportunity, available for input. Click, just check this one, click done. So it will be record single variable like this. Okay, so to do this, there is a variables like record variable, text variable, number. You want to create number, then you want to also create the number value. So this is all about the what is variables in a Salesforce flow. You can store different types of data in a different way. Okay, so that's it all about it. If you like video, please hit like and subscribe my channel. So thank you guys.